Hey everybody, it's Dr. Heyer from Holistic Health. Hope you're having a great day. Hey, if I said something like your posture has a correlation to how long you might live or your longevity, would that sound strange to you? For most people it might. But there's an interesting book called Stand Taller, Live Longer, written by Dr. Steve Weiniger, who actually equates our posture over a lifetime can actually have an effect in our longevity and our health and our well-being in our later years. In this next email series, we're going to talk about the importance of posture, not just in the older generation, but also in this newer, younger generation, with things like text neck, bad posture, and other health issues that teens and younger people may be experiencing. So, I hope you join us, and I hope you find this interesting. And if you do, please do me a favor, like, comment, and share this information so that we can reach out to our community and help people have better, healthier lives. Thank you.